It would not be an overstatement to say that computer vision is one of the most remarkable feats of the 21st century. Half a decade ago, a computer's knowledge was only limited to what programs could feed it. Today, they can learn all that and more, all by themselves, simply by analyzing digital images or any information in digital form. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the future of AI. Welcome back to Tech Ed and Beyond. In this video, we'll be talking about one of the most powerful and compelling AI technologies, computer vision. We all have experienced computers in many ways and may not even be aware of it. Well, to give you a bigger picture of the fantastic technology we're using even now, right at this moment, let's pose the first question. What is computer vision? Computer vision is a branch of artificial intelligence that deals with the interpretation and analysis of images. It enables computers to understand what they see and start to understand what they see in a way that is similar to the way humans do. Computer vision does not require extraordinary computing power or incredible algorithms, which has made it one of the most commercially viable branches of artificial intelligence. This is because it can be implemented using standard and trusted deep learning approaches on existing computer hardware, instead of requiring the generation of new hardware with radically different architectures. How do we use computer vision in our daily lives? Now, one of the most important features of computer vision is the ability to recognize faces. With this feature, we will be able to identify people and learn more about them just by looking at their face. This technology can help us in a lot of ways. It is being used in different fields such as healthcare, security, and education. For example, we can use it to improve security and prevent fraud. And one of the subcomponents, which is facial recognition system, which we will talk about more later on, can be used by medical facilities to assist doctors with diagnosing patients quicker. Computer vision is being used to identify different scenes, read text from any printed media or digital signage, and detect emotions and feelings. We should also add that the first application of computer vision was during the late 1940s and early 1950s. The military wanted to be able to look at aerial photographs and tell the difference between military vehicles and civilian vehicles, so they could spot enemies more easily. And today it's being used in our everyday lives to make many tasks much faster. One part of computer vision is object recognition systems, abbreviated as ORS, that can identify objects, their properties, and sometimes their context. The most common application of OR systems is for image recognition. It works by extracting features from an image, which are then matched to patterns of features stored in the system's database. Modern examples include Facebook's facial recognition technology, Google's object detection software, and Microsoft Computer Vision API, Azure Cognitive Services Computer Vision API's Face Detection API. The types of object recognition are face recognition system, which is a computer-based system that identifies an individual from a digital image or video frame. This technology has grown in popularity with the advancement of new technologies and the ability to collect more data. There are some drawbacks to this technology, but it has become more accurate and faster than ever before. Image recognition systems, which are machines that work in a similar way to the human mind to identify and classify objects and faces. Mobile devices nowadays are equipped with features like content organization that gives up the options to access photo collections and automatically adds tags so that we can browse a more structured collection and view your best moments. And video analysis systems, which is the system that is used to analyze the video that is taken by a camera. This system can be very useful for many applications, such as sport analysis, quality control, and medical diagnosis. One of the examples would be self-driving vehicles. Video analysis system allows a vehicle to identify its surroundings to predict what will happen next. The camera captures videos from different angles and sends that information to the computer vision software. The system then processes the video in real time and detects different objects, like road markings, other cars on the road, pedestrians, or traffic lights. And in the medical field, video analysis can help with many different areas, including X-rays, MRIs, and mammographies. Image data is a very important aspect of medical diagnosis because it accounts for up to 90% of all medical data. With the advancements of computer vision, medical scans can be analyzed and identify quickly growth, the cause of blindness, diabetic retinopathy, DR. Computer vision can process pictures of the back of the eye and give assess rates for disease presence and severity. Some agricultural organizations use computers to monitor their harvest and to help tackle the common problems like weeds coming up or nutrient deficiencies. Computer vision systems are used to process images from satellites, planes, or drones. They are able to identify problems in the early stages, which helps you prevent unnecessary financial losses. Sounds amazing, right? Well, we should ask, as much amazing as this sounds, is it safe to assume that no technology is perfect? And computer vision could be one of them. And so far, there has been impressive progress made, even though we're not close to the end of solving all the challenges that computer vision faces. As we know, the perception and interpretation of images is the brain's job. It is not an easy job to make a computer to see precisely like us. And as we know, a computer works best in a tightly constrained and controlled environment. Much like the human brain, AI systems learn by making mistakes and achieving successes. We can teach AI systems by giving them examples and letting them figure out the rest. The more data we feed an AI system, the better it becomes. Another super interesting field of the AI that is closely related to computer vision is machine learning. It is a field of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines. It enables computers to automatically learn to recognize patterns in data without being explicitly programmed what those patterns are. We sure will have a full explanation video about it soon, including how a self-learning AI system can be built. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so that you can be notified when it's out. And if you like the value provided with this video, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment to let us know how it helps. Or you can also check one of the videos showing on your screen to help further your knowledge about technology. Thank you and have a great one!